Good morning, kids. I hope you all are studying at home with fun. Children, we have learned Chapter 12, Animals Around Us. So, let's see what we have to learn today. Students, today we have to complete textual exercises. But before starting the textual exercise, let's revise this chapter in short. Children, we have learned about different kinds of animals around us. Some are big, whereas some are small. We have also learned about domestic animals. So, pet and farm animals are called domestic animals. Some examples of domestic animals are cow, donkey, horse, pig, etc. Now, students, you have also known about wild animals. So, the animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Examples of wild animals are elephant, lion, tiger, etc. In previous video, we have also learned about water animals. So, who are water animals? Animals that live in water are called water animals. For example, octopus, jellyfish, shark, whale, etc. There are some animals that live both on land and in water. Example, crocodile, turtle, frog, and duck. We have also known about the air animals. Birds are known as air animals because they can fly in the sky. Let's see what are herbivores. So, animals that eat plants and leaves are called herbivores. Example, zebra, rabbit, cow, giraffe, elephant, etc. अब आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे कुछ प्लांट्स एज वेल एज ग्रास भी दिखाई दे रही है. तो जो एनिमल्स ये सारे फूड आइटम्स खाते हैं उन्हें हम हर्बीवोरस कहते हैं. एंड हर्बीवोरस कभी भी एनिमल्स का फ्लैश नहीं खा सकते. सो स्टूडेंट्स, द एनिमल्स दैट ईट फ्लैश ऑफ अदर एनिमल्स, दैट मीन्स जो दूसरे का मांस खाते हैं, उन्हें हम कार्निवोर्स कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, शार्क, lion, alligator, wolf, etc. Animals that eat both plant and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. As on the screen, you can see that vegetables are plant food, mutton is the flesh of other animals, and fish is also a food item of non-vegetarian. And you know students, bear can eat plants, flesh of other animals as well as fish. Students, as you can see on the screen, जो animals प्लांट्स, अदर एनिमल्स का फ्लैश एज वेल एज फिश खाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बियर को फिश खाना बहुत पसंद है. सो दीज एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड omnivorous बिकॉज दे ईट प्लांट्स एज वेल एज द फ्लैश ऑफ अदर एनिमल्स. नाउ वी हैव ऑल्सो लर्न अबाउट डिफरेंट एनिमल्स होम्स. बेबीज मीन्स यंग वन, साउंड एंड देयर ग्रुप. स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर सम यूजफुल एनिमल्स that help us in many ways. They play a vital role in our life. Like cow, buffalo and goat give us milk. Sheep give us wool. Honeybee gives us honey. And hen gives us eggs. They also give us chicken. Horse help us to carry passengers and load weights. Camels help us to walk in desert areas. Students, some animals also help us in farming, such as bullocks. So students, in this way, we have known that without animals, our life is incomplete. We must always be kind and we should never harm any animal. We should take proper care of pet animals and farm animals. So students, after recapitulating this chapter, I hope you have understood all the things very nicely. So, now it's time to practice some questions given from the content. So, let's move to practice time. So, here we come to answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, what are wild animals? Where can we find them? That means wild animals क्या होते हैं and उन्हें हम कहाँ देख सकते हैं? So, the answer for this question is, animals that live in forest are called wild animals. We can find them at zoo and circus. That means ऐसे animals जो forest में रहते हैं उन्हें हम wild animals कहते हैं और इन animals को हम zoo में and circus में देख सकते हैं. Now next is, what do you call a group of elephants? So students, एलिफेंट्स के ग्रुप को आप क्या कहते हो? आंसर इज a group of elephants is called a herd of elephants. Now our next question is write any two uses of animals. तो आपको एनिमल्स के 2 uses लिखने हैं कि वो आपके किस काम आते हैं. आंसर इज we get milk from cows, buffaloes, goats and wool from sheep. Second is they help us to carry our loads such as horse, camel, donkey, elephant. That means now our fourth question is name 2 animals that can live both on land and water. So the answer will be duck and tortoise can live both on land and water. Fifth question is name 2 animals that eat plants and 2 animals that eat flesh. अब आपको क्या करना है? ऐसे 2 एनिमल्स के नेम बताने हैं जो प्लांट्स ईट करते हैं एंड ऐसे 2 एनिमल्स के नेम बताने हैं जो अदर एनिमल्स के फ्लैश खाते हैं. दैट मीन्स मांस खाते हैं. सो द आंसर इज काउ एंड एलिफेंट ईट प्लांट्स. काउ एंड एलिफेंट प्लांट्स खाते हैं. लायन एंड टाइगर ईट फ्लैश. लायन एंड टाइगर फ्लैश खाते हैं. That's it for today, kids. I hope you have understood all the things taught in this module. And I hope in this module we have learned many things about the animals. So, by this term, you should always be kind to animals. You should never harm them. So, till then, wear mask, maintain hygiene, follow social distancing. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.